Now I'm pursuing PG, ma'am. MSW
You're
first
doing
year.
PG.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are your plans for the future?
My future plan. I have completed now PG, but
Hmm.
after that, I own NGO started, and
You want
my
to
future
start an
plan, ma'am.
NGO.
NGO.
What
Non.
about you?
I'm studying Form D,
Hmm.
second year, ma'am.
Hmm.
Planning for future, own construction hospitals.
Okay, you want to build hospitals.
Yes.
Good. So now you are in a state where you are planning for the future, right? So today we are going to learn about simple future. Hmm. So this is, remember, in English we don't call it future tense. We only call it future time reference, because future we don't know. We can only plan, we can hope, we can wish, isn't it? So there are many ways of indicating future. So the first one is subject plus V plus V1. So he can say, I will. What's your aim? No. What is your aim? To what do you want to become? Suresh will become a teacher. Hmm? Will become a teacher. What about Ramudu?
Ma'am, Suresh is NGO started, ma'am. Actually,
Okay, we'll start an
NGOs.
NGO.
Yes, ma'am.
Start an NGO. And Ramudu will build hospitals. Good. Will build. So this is just the beginning, isn't it? So what should you do to start an NGO?
NGO started because I don't know understand now.
Okay. Or to start a hospital, to start an NGO, you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
do something. You have to contact people.
Yes.
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am. First,
You have to think about the funds,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Correct.
There are many things to be done.
Yeah.
Hmm? If you say, I will start an NGO, will it start on its own?
No.
Can you
No,
start it like that? No,
NGO.
No. It's
Yes,
not
ma'am.
possible.
it's not possible. Hmm. So, okay, it is. I am going to start an NGO. Okay. So, what is the difference between this and this?
This is future. This is
This is also future, but this, it's only a wish. You want to do it. That is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
determination. But this, you started making arrangements for it. It's not fixed yet. You started making arrangements
Arrangement.
for this. Okay. So this is another way of saying, talking about the future. Subject plus be verb plus going to plus.
V1 plus.
Okay. So he is going to build hospitals.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are another way of talking. This is still not confirmed. Okay. Suppose you decide everything is fixed. You have contacted the people, you have got your own team, you have enough money for that, and you have set a date for inauguration. Be it an NGO or a hospital, you set a date for inauguration, isn't
yes.
it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After everything is done. Then what do?
That is planning, ma'am.
This is planning. This is almost fixed.
Six.
Okay. Subject plus be verb plus V4 plus he is starting an NGO. He is starting a hospital.
Hospital. Yes.
A hospital. So the difference between these three is here it is your will, your wish, your determination.
This is
Next,
planning.
you are making plans for that,
Yes.
making arrangements for that, still not fixed. And here, everything is fixed. Everything is
Fix.
planned. That's the final step. Okay. There is another way of talking about the future. Something like something which is a timetable. For example, the institute here reopens in June. Reopened in the past, in the future, so it's a timetable
Yes.
which does not change. It's called fixed plan. So for timetables also we use for this also we use simple present. It plus V1 or
Yes.
S. Okay. Then can I have some? Can you give me some more examples? When do we have exams in Hyderabad? In which months do we have
March.
March.
the exams?
Started.
The exams start in
March.
When do we have monsoon in Hyderabad? Monsoon is rainy season. The rainy season starts in June.
June. Okay.
Okay. So that is things which rarely change. When do we have Diwali?
Diwali.
October or
October.
November?
Yes,
The date is not fixed,
Not fixed.
but
Yes.
it is sometime in October or
November.
So people celebrate Diwali in September or October.
October. Yes, ma'am.
So this is for timetable. That's where you use for timetable. Okay. Remember, will. Then we'll go on to the negatives and question forms. To talk about something clear signs. For example, suppose we see dark clouds. What do you think? What do you feel if you see dark clouds in the sky? It's going to rain. Isn't it? That's what you feel. It's going to rain. So something is going to happen. Okay, suppose you see somebody doing a very dangerous thing, standing on the terrace, on the parapet wall. What do you feel? What is your reaction? Oh no, he's going to fall. That is, you see him standing on the parapet, you feel this is going to happen. That is also future. Suppose somebody is hanging from the bus. Very often we see youngsters like you hanging from the doorway. So when you see somebody like that, what do you say?
Oh, what is that?
He's going to fall. Yes, be careful.
Just now be careful.
So that is what we use for, we say, we give an indication like, look at those clouds. It's going to rain. So this is also about the future.
Future.
You know that it's going to happen. So the person is, starting the engine. Then you tell your friend, come fast, the bus is going to start.
Yes.
So these are the various situations where these are different ways of expressing future.
Future.
So what's the first one?
Planning.
Will.
Will.
I will do it. What will you do after class?
I will go to auditorium.
You'll go to the auditorium. The next is you're planning for your future.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you going to do?
I will become a
What are you going to do? I'm going to start
Start.
an NGO. I'm going to start my own hospital.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is fixed. Everything is fixed. Everything is planned. Then you use, I'm starting an NGO.
NGOs.
I'm starting a hospital.
Hospital.
Okay. I'm starting my own hospital.
hospitals.
And then at what time do you come here?
I will come 4:30.
Why I will come? It's not only future. You come here every day at 4:30.
It is simple.
Isn't it? It's a routine.
Simple present.
Simple present. But yesterday you came, tomorrow also you are coming. Because it's a routine.
Routine.
Because it's a timetable, we always use the simple present.
Simple present and
But that indicates future.
future.
When does the train come? At 7 o'clock. Yesterday it came at 7. Today
Today
Same.
it's
7
come at 7. Tomorrow
No,
also
the same.
it comes at 7. Timetables do not change. So that is another way of indicating future.
Future.
And finally, you see something, you feel the next action you can guess it's going to happen. That's where you use for simple future. Now, suppose I say he will help you. How will you say the negative of this?
He will not.
He will not
He will not help you.
help you, or he
Won't
He won't
won't
help you.
help you.
help
Help
you. Remember, when you are talking in short form, it's always won't,
Won't.
not
Yes,
will
ma'am.
not.
Won't. Ma'am.
What about yes no question?
Will he help you?
Yes.
Will he help you?
Will he
Help you?
will he help you? So remember, in a yes no question, the verb goes to the
Yes, ma'am.
front. Will he
He help you?
help you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll have another question. Something like he. Give me an example.
Who he help you?
Who is going to help you? Who will help you? He. Okay. Suppose I change this to Gopal will help you.
Gopal will help you.
Who will help you?
Who will?
Who will help you?
Who will
Help you.
Can I have an example with present continuous form to indicate future?
I will.
Are you writing a test next Sunday? Are you writing an exam next Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
So I say the students
The students
are
writing exam next Sunday.
writing an exam next
Sunday.
Sunday. Why do I use are writing? Why not will?
Will is future tense,
This is
ma'am.
planning.
This is
Planning.
planned.
Plan.
This is fixed.
Fix.
It cannot be changed.
Change.
So we use this to indicate it is fixed. There cannot be any changes. You don't have any choice. Can you say I won't write the exam? Do you have the choice?
No.
You don't have choice.
Yes, ma'am. Fix.
Oh, it is fixed. So how do I write the negative of this?
Are the students right?
That is a question.
The
Negative.
student are writing exams.
The students are not.
The students
Students aren't
Or no.
aren't, short form, always remember, aren't writing
writing
exam
an exam next Sunday.
an exam
Next Sunday.
next Sunday. Okay. Then suppose, what about yes no questions?
Are the students
Are
writing the
the
students
Are the
writing
students
exam
writing
Sunday?
an exam next Sunday?
Are the students writing an exam next Sunday?
When are the
Mm.
when are the students writing exam?
When
Are the
are
the
the
students
students
writing
writing exam.
writing
An
an
An exam.
now? What's the other one?
fixed
Something which is
daily routine.
planned.
This is planning.
This is okay. Give me an example of that. So suppose I say he comes only in the evenings. Okay.
He comes only in the evening.
What is the meaning of this?
Third
He
one
comes only in the
He comes
evenings. That means he doesn't come in the morning, isn't it? So this is a timetable which is
Timetable.
fixed.
fixed daily routine.
So every day he comes.
Yes.
So how do you write the negative of this?
He does not come. He does not come.
He come only in the exam.
So he doesn't.
Not. Doesn't
Now after
Doesn't.
the two forms,
come.
it's only
Come.
come.
V1.
So he doesn't
He doesn't
come
work.
only in the
Evening.
evenings. So what does it mean? Apart from evenings, he must be coming during the day also,
Yes, ma'am.
morning also, right? What about question?
Does he come
Does he come
only in the one?
only in
Does
the evening?
he come only
Does he come only in the evening?
the evenings? Okay. Suppose I say I underline only in the evenings.
When he come,
When
he come.
whenever you have only one verb,
Come.
simple present or simple past, you use do forms
Do form.
to make questions or negatives.
When does? When
Good. When
does he
When does he come?
does
He come.
He come.
he? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
have you understood what?
Yes,
How?
understood.
Can you tell, Parashuramlu, can you tell me about your future? Your plan? What do you plan to do? I will. Whatever your plans till the future. How do you talk about your future? Maybe your plans for the summer holidays.
Yes.
Oh,
I will go to my hometown.
yes.
After I will swim.
I will go for swimming.
I will
Okay.
go swim.
Yes.
I will
Then
I will start the any programs in my areas.
you'll start programs in your
Areas.
village.
After
Have you started doing anything for that? You will start. You'll go to your hometown. Do you have to book tickets?
yes.
Have you booked tickets already?
No.
So it's not fixed.
Yes.
So you don't know whether you'll be going or
Yes.
not.
Yes.
Think that tickets are also booked. Then what do you say? My tickets are booked.
after checking which department,
Mm.
which seat,
Mm.
which area, that is AC or non-AC
Okay.
selected, checking
Mm.
after
So
that.
after you fix the
That is
date, you can say, I'm going to my hometown.
Yes.
Okay. Then I'm going to start programs. I'm going to join swimming class.
yes.
What about you?
I will go to some holidays my home, ma'am,
Mm.
and after that my village children's observations,
Mm.
because some children are go to labor work, and some women also not shopkeepers. So that is not correct. I will explain. First
Oh.
of all, observe the
Oh,
children's are women's. Observe. After that, future planning. Motivate. First of all, motivate the
Motivate
children.
them not to take children for.
Take children's and some awareness program explanation
Okay.
first.
So you are going to your hometown. Is it booked? Are the tickets booked? When are
No.
you leaving?
And,
Tickets are not booked.
No, ma'am. Direct.
You don't need to book tickets.
Yes, no.
Okay. So you will go to your hometown.
Hometown.
You will make the people there aware of. You will also make the women aware of their health issues.
Yes, ma'am.
And then through all these, you want to motivate them,
Motivate.
and then you want to start an NGO
Yes,
where
ma'am.
you will be addressing these issues.
Yes, ma'am.
You'll be talking about child labor. You'll be talking about women working,
Yes, ma'am.
straining themselves or doing hard labor.
And some people are unemployment, so
They're
That's,
unemployed. So
that's why NGO started my own
you want to start it?
NGO, child laborers and child women also.
Very good. Thank you for that.